Hi, I'm Kristen from Unexpected Atlanta Tours, where we create unforgettable local history and food experiences. Let's dive into what your team can expect from our historic market food tour and biscuit cooking class. Teams love this event because it combines engaging Atlanta history with a hands-on biscuit making class. It's fun, interactive, and delicious. Plus, you'll leave with the only biscuit recipe you'll ever need. So, what can you expect before your event? Booking is simple. Meet with our sales team to choose your date, time, and any add-ons. Once you confirm with a signed proposal, we handle the rest. You'll receive an invoice, meeting details, and parking instructions within a few days. With private tours, you get flexibility on start times and optional add-ons like a civil rights history tour, bus transportation, or curated take-home gifts featuring Atlanta's best food purveyors. Simply confirm the booking with a signed proposal, and you're done planning. We take it from there. Your invoice and event details, including a meeting point and parking instructions, those will be sent out within 2 to 3 days of a signed agreement. On the day of the event, you'll meet your tour guide at the predetermined location, and that's when the fun begins. The Historic Market Food Tour and Biscuit Cooking class shares an up-close look at Southern cooking and Georgia's most famous foods like collards, peaches, and pecans. Highlights include 9 hearty tastings, a hands-on biscuit class, and a take-home recipe card. Our mission at Unexpected Atlanta Tours is to tell unexpected stories that matter. We've hosted hundreds of guests on this tour, and corporate teams consistently tell us how much they loved the hands-on cooking class and the tour of an often overlooked market. In fact, many folks tell us they've lived in Atlanta for years and have never been to the Municipal Market until then, and how they can't wait to return. Before you go, I want to answer some frequently asked questions. First, how much time does your company need to book? We can book as soon as the same week or up to months in advance. Let us take the guesswork out of your visit to Atlanta. Second, how many guests can we accommodate? We can book your event with a minimum of 10 guests and up to 50 guests. For groups with large numbers, though, we'll split up so that there's ample space in the class, rotating so that half the group does the food tour first and the other half does the biscuit making first. Third, can you accommodate dietary restrictions? Totally! We need to know any restrictions 48 hours prior to the tour, though. Just send those via email so that we can make sure our kitchens are prepared. Can we add on cocktails and drinks? Yes. We can reserve a space in the market to enjoy drinks for an added fee. Just note that the market does not allow alcohol to be taken beyond the designated reserved area. Finally, how long is the tour? This tour is designed to be 2 hours, but can go up to 2.5 for larger groups. Your tour can begin as early as 11 a.m. or as late as 3 p.m. For after-hours rentals or a rental of the entire market for large parties, just ask. We look forward to sharing an Unexpected Atlanta tour with your team soon. If you have any questions, please email us at privatetours@unexpectedatlanta.com to speak with a member of our team.